Okay, we garbage picked the lawnmower, and believe it or not, came with a full tank of gas. I don't know, we haven't tried starting it yet. Here, Nathan. Let's get this. Let's get this bowl off here. It's got gas in it. No shit.
The screen shut off.
That's okay. We got any carb cleaner up there?
Yep.
Brandon, go grab the carb cleaner over there. Just holding the float up so it doesn't drip.
You got gas everywhere.
Yeah, I got gas everywhere. Here, hold this up, Brandon, like this. Just gonna clear the main jet. Man, if this thing starts up, this would be great. It goes like that. Right here. That's, oh, gas is flowing. Holy crap, gas is everywhere. We're dripping. Get a paper towel.
Brandon, go grab a towel.
I'm such a garbage collector. This little crappy mower. Use it for cutting my ditch. I don't know, we got a saw a few weeks ago, a steel chainsaw. And it worked great. Just had to put a new carb on it. I don't know, let's give it a try. Let's prime her up. Check the air filter. I just got a free lawnmower. The curb needs to be cleaned. Sounds like the jets are clogged up on it. That's all we got to do is clean the curb. It's running rich, so we got to clean the carb out. And there we go, lawnmower. It runs.
No way.
Yeah.
Dude.
Move, Duke.
it?
That's it.
Oh my god. And now, what's this cover for?
Screw it. I'll just buy a new carburetor for it. It's probably like 20 bucks.
Oh, is this the carburetor?
No, that's
a
the air filter.
Oh. Really?
Yeah.
And you can use it, and it's a little tiny one.
Yeah, that's perfect for the ditch.
Oh my god.
Whatever, man. People just throw good crap away.
Oh, do I just press this?
Alright. That's our little garbage pick lawnmower. Just needs a new carb, and I'll order one on Amazon and it'll be done. I don't know, we'll tear into it more. Maybe, I don't know, it seems to run. Here, pull it, start it. Yeah, it seems to be running rich.
Oh, why is it like shut off when you do that?
Huh, what are you gonna do, man? Maybe it needs a spark plug clean, who knows? But it runs.